Hopefully this course was able to give you a quick glimpse of some of the ways that you, as an educator, can utilize the Microsoft Office 365 suite and its tools to improve your instruction and to improve student learning. These tools will make your life easier and more efficient. With these tools, you can also make your content more organized and accessible. But don't stop there. Encourage your students to utilize these tools as well, especially Microsoft Teams and Microsoft OneNote, as an excellent way to not only stay organized, but to help them develop important digital literacy skills that will benefit them in their future. Using these tools can help them become more skilled and knowledgeable about topics like online communication and collaboration, organization of files, cloud-based storage, and a ton of other digital literacy skills. Not only will this make their lives easier, but you'll help them develop important skills that will be extremely beneficial to them in the future. Strong digital literacy skills is one of the most important things that students will need to be career ready.